Welcome to Wales, a land of ancient legends, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. In this Wales travel guide, we present the best 15 places to explore, showcasing the diverse beauty and rich heritage that make Wales a must-visit destination. From historic castles to breathtaking coastlines, each location offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Snowdonia National Park. Begin your journey in the heart of Wales with Snowdonia National Park. Scale the heights of Mount Snowdon or explore serene lakes and charming villages amidst dramatic landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual adventurer, Snowdonia has something for everyone. Cardiff. As the capital city, Cardiff seamlessly blends modernity and history. Dive into the past at Cardiff Castle, stroll through the picturesque Butte Park, and embrace the vibrant energy of the city's diverse neighbourhoods. Cardiff offers a dynamic urban experience with a touch of Welsh charm. Conwy. Step into the medieval charm of Conwy, home to the iconic Conwy Castle. Wander through cobbled streets, cross the Conwy Suspension Bridge, and immerse yourself in the town's historical ambience. This UNESCO-listed destination is a journey back in time. Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. For coastal beauty, head to Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and turquoise waters await along the Pembrokeshire Coast Path. Explore charming seaside towns, indulge in water sports, or simply bask in the natural splendour of this coastal haven. Brecon Beacons National Park. Nature enthusiasts will find solace in Brecon Beacons National Park. Hike through rolling hills, discover ancient woodlands, and marvel at cascading waterfalls. Climb Pen y Fan, the highest peak in South Wales, and be rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. Llandudno. Escape to the Victorian elegance of Llandudno. Stroll along the promenade, take a tram ride up the Great Orme, and enjoy the nostalgic charm of this seaside resort. With its sandy beaches and historic pier, Llandudno is a timeless retreat. Anglesey. Explore the tranquility of Anglesey, an island adorned with historic sites and natural beauty. Visit Beaumaris Castle, cycle through picturesque landscapes, and savor the peaceful atmosphere that defines this coastal gem. Hay on Wye. Book lovers will delight in the literary haven of Hay on Wye. Known as the town of books, it boasts numerous bookshops and hosts the famous Hay Festival. Wander through its streets, discovering literary treasures and embracing the town's intellectual allure. Portmeirion. Step into the whimsical village of Portmeirion, an Italianate dream on the coast. Admire the colourful architecture, explore hidden gardens, and revel in the unique ambience created by Sir Clough Williams-Ellis. The Gower Peninsula. Discover the stunning beaches of the Gower Peninsula. Hike along rugged cliffs, relax on golden sands like Rosilly Bay, and immerse yourself in the coastal beauty that defines this natural playground. Aberystwyth. Visit the academic hub of Aberystwyth, home to the prestigious Aberystwyth University. Explore the National Library of Wales, take a scenic ride on the Vale of Rheidol Railway, and appreciate the town's unique blend of history and academia. Carnarvon. Uncover regal history in Carnarvon, home to the majestic Carnarvon Castle. Walk its ancient walls, explore the town's maritime heritage, and soak in the medieval atmosphere that pervades this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Swansea. Experience maritime delights in Swansea. Discover the National Waterfront Museum, stroll along the marina, and relax on the sandy beaches of Swansea Bay. With a lively cultural scene, Swansea offers a perfect blend of history and modernity. Tenby. Delight in the picturesque town of Tenby, known for its pastel-coloured buildings and medieval walls. Explore the cobbled streets, enjoy the vibrant art scene, and relax on the beautiful beaches that surround this charming coastal town. Chepstow. Conclude your Welsh adventure in Chepstow, a town steeped in history. Visit Chepstow Castle, marvel at the oldest surviving stone castle in Britain, and explore the charming market town with its medieval streets and Georgian architecture. Wales, with its diverse landscapes and rich history, offers an array of captivating destinations for every traveller. Whether you're drawn to ancient castles, coastal wonders, or vibrant cities, the best 15 places to visit in Wales for 2024 promise an immersive and unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Good to Know.